everyone, this is Divya Khatri, a clinical dietitian and a certified diabetes educator. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a very important skill to choose your health while you're choosing a food product. So in this video, I'll be covering these topics. Nowadays, in a food products, people are using ingredients very smartly कि आपको पता ही नहीं चले कि वो actually healthy है या नहीं healthy है आपके लिए. So let me educate you about it. Let's talk first about ingredient list. So your ingredient list should be simple और उसके जो first 3 food products होंगे वही real उसमें added होते हैं. So you have to avoid other than that. You have to always read from highest to lower in the ingredient list. सो आई एम पुटिंग दिस पिक्चर. सो इन दिस पिक्चर आप देख सकते हो कि इसके फर्स्ट 3 प्रोडक्ट्स ही शुगर कंटेंट है, विच इज रिफाइंड फ्लोर, शुगर एंड इट प्रिजर्वेटिव्स. एंड देन उसके बाद उसमें है वेजिटेबल ऑयल एंड देन माल्टोडेक्स्ट्रिन. देयर आर आर्टिफिशियल फ्लेवर्स इन दैट एज वेल. अगर ये आपकी इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट है, सो यू हैव टू अवॉइड दैट फूड प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम बाइंग इट. Coming to my next topic is per 100 gram nutrition. So this is the different table in the label. सो इन दिस लिस्ट यू हैव टू चेक कि उसके पर 100 ग्राम में कितना प्रोटीन है. सो प्रोटीन होना चाहिए 8 to 12 ग्राम्स, शुगर होना चाहिए लेस देन 5 ग्राम, फाइबर होना चाहिए 3 to 5 ग्राम्स. ऑल्सो फैट्स अगर उसमें है तो मेक श्योर वो फैट्स नेचुरल सोर्सेज के थ्रू है, थ्रू सीड्स, थ्रू नट्स. सो दिस टेबल इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू रीड कि आपको पता चले उस फूड प्रोडक्ट में कितना ग्राम्स क्या क्या डाला हुआ है. Now this topic is my most favorite because इसमें हम सब trap हो जाते हैं. is sugar check. So nowadays they don't write इसमें इतना sugar है, they write the alternatives for it. I'm telling you the names for it. They write jaggery powder, corn syrup, glucose syrup, date syrup, honey, और ये सब sugar ही है. So my next topic is fats and oils. So I'll tell you these 4 things अगर उसमें है food products में, read that label and don't buy it. First is hydrogenated oil. Second is partially hydrogenated oil. Third is palm oil, जो सबको पता है कि नहीं कंज्यूम करना चाहिए, it's not good for your health. And fourth is 0 gram of trans fat. अगर उस फूड प्रोडक्ट में लिखा हुआ है कि it is having 0 gram of trans fat, उसमें पक्का ट्रांस फैट है and that's why it is mentioned as 0. अगर उसमें 0 होता तो they should have not mentioned it all. Next is very important for someone who is suffering from any heart conditions, elevated cholesterol. Please make sure you are looking at a sodium limit. So sodium limit होनी चाहिए less than 300 mg per 100 grams. So if it's more than 300 mg per 100 grams, it is not a healthy choice to opt for. This is my most favorite and I personally see these things first in the ingredient list, and that is protein and fiber. So good amount of protein and good amount of fiber in your food products. Make sure that आपका sugar level spike नहीं हो और आप ज़्यादा खाने के लिए उसको crave नहीं करो. Coming to the next topic, preservatives and additives. So I'll be mentioning these INS numbers in the screen. You can see ये INS numbers जो है, अगर ये numbers आपके food product में है, so please avoid it. These INS numbers के जो preservatives है, they are actually put it in a food product to prevent them from having bacteria. उसमें rancidity नहीं हो जाए, वो खराब जल्दी नहीं हो जाए, उसमें bacteria growth के लिए वो help करता है. So it is not good for you to consume it. Here comes a very bonus tip. So you should ignore the marketing claims as 0 sugar, 0 fat, multigrain atta, because they have very much of preservatives. If you can turn the food product and see the ingredient list, you will get to know that yes, it is true that they are making a scam in the market. So here I have one activity for you. I am putting these 2 labels, that is label 1 and that is label 2. So you tell me that which label is actually healthy. Comment down label 1 or label 2 and I'll tell you the answer which label is actually healthy, and you can also get to know that yes, you can also read the label correctly. That's it for today. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Thank you for watching.